So what we're doing now is going to take a look at number 4. Number 1 was a relatively easy problem. Let me get this in focus here. Yeah. And so number 4, what we have is y double prime plus y prime minus 6y is equal to 2x. In this case, what we have is the complementary solution is going to again come from here. So we're going to have y plus y complementary plus y particular. Now remember, this is the method of superposition. This is what we're going to have is by adding these two together. The complementary solution is going to be from the equation x squared plus x minus 6 equal to 0. We'll factor that. We'll have x plus 3 and x minus 2. And so our complementary solution is c1 e to the minus 3x plus c2 e to the 2x. The particular solution then is going to be when we have this 2x. So on our page 151, we'll look up what do we have when we have just 2x. Well, in this case, the particular solution is going to be equal to a linear equation. So we have the ax plus b. Now, what we'll do is take the first derivative, which ends up being a, and the second derivative, which ends up being equal to 0. So now we have our second derivative, our first derivative, and our function. We plug them back into our equation here. So this is going to give us a 0 plus a minus 6 times ax plus b is equal to our 2x. So working this out, we'll have a minus 6ax plus b is equal to 2x. So now what we'll do is we'll create a systems of equations. The first one being negative 6ax is equal to 2x, and the second one being, oops, I need to distribute this negative 6 all the way through. It should be negative 6b. So this is a minus 6b is equal to 0. So we'll solve for a in this case, plug it in here. So we'll have negative 6a is equal to 2. So a is equal to negative 1/3. So if a is equal to negative 1/3, we'll plug it in. Negative 1/3 minus 6b is equal to 0. Or negative 6b is equal to 1/3. Multiply or divide both sides by negative 6 in this case. And we'll end up with b is equal to negative 1/18. So now what we have is our complementary solution, and also from here we're going to be able to form our particular solution. Our particular solution here is that we have negative 1/3 x minus 1/18. So our complete solution for this equation is going to be the addition of these two. So what we have is y is equal to c1 e to the minus 3x plus c2 e to the 2x, and then the particular equation, which is minus 1/3 x minus 1/18. That right there is our solution to this differential equation. Now, the difference here is that I had to use my systems of equations to solve for what my a and b are.